Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone on Instagram bio. Now this is quite a simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea on how you can do this. Now in order to show someone's tag on your Instagram bio, all you need to do is to use the @ symbol while editing it. So how do you do it? Click on edit profile and then you can click on bio. After this, you can type in whatever text you want and just use the @ symbol and type in the first letter of their name. Once you do that, as you can see here, I can easily tag them. And once you're happy with the changes, just click on the tick on the top right corner, go back and you can see the changes. There you go. Once I click on that profile, it will go there. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how Instagram tags work. If you want to tag someone in your bio, this is how you do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.